Welcome to AMJ. AMJ is a specialist in manufacturing of aluminium windows and doors for decades. AMJ Windows Sydney was established in 2023 and is located at Punchbowl Road, Lakemba. Supplied thousands of projects to Australia and USA. AMJ has passed in FSC, NAF, S and AS to earn for 7 certifications. Also, the AMJ R&D team is keeping improving the product system based on clients' feedback and project requirements. As a responsible manufacturer and supplier, AMJ got over 35,000 SQM factory, and the annual capacity is more than 200,000 SQM. Also, the regular 300-ton aluminum profile stock ensures the fast delivery for both residential and commercial projects. AMJ has professional R&D, business, operation, and after-sales teams and 7 automated production lines, and always aims to be a global company and provides our clients with in-time local service. At AMJ, we see every client as part of our team, pride ourselves on the long-term relationships established, and keep improving to ensure our customers are provided with products and service that surpass expectations. Dedicated, professional and responsible, AMJ, we are confident to be your reliable partner and sincerely look forward to working with you.